Hello everyone and welcome to my channel, Sincerely Jacqueline DIY. And today I have some high-end dollar store DIYs for you that you can do at home. So I hope that you enjoyed the video. And if you like what you see and would like to see more, please hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and comment below which DIY was your favorite.
The first DIY is this wooden snake chain. So if you go to the Dollar Tree, you will find these in their craft section. And what you want to do is remove the head and the tail. And then you just want to glue it together. Very simple.
So the next DIY is very, very easy. I found these candle holders, I believe they were, in the Dollar Tree, and all I did was spray paint it. And I used the same spray paint that was very similar to the candle holders, but just wanted to polish it up a little bit. And I absolutely loved how it came out. What you can do is you can use them as candle holders. Right now it is Easter, so I kind of put a decorative egg on there, but you can use them as candle holders or display small knickknacks. The next DIY is not really a DIY, but I wanted to share with you this pampas grass that I found at the Dollar Tree, and they came in two colors, this pink color, and I believe it was a blue color, but I absolutely loved the pink color. And I'm going to share with you how to make it look high-end and not so faux. So what I would say is find a beautiful vase, a very high-end vase. And I actually found this one at the thrift store. I love the coloring, I love the shape, and I decided to style the pampas grass in it. So I used two stems, and here's the final look. It's very, very easy, and it looks very high-end.
Now for the last DIY, we are going to need a baseball once again, and you're going to need some nautical rope. And both these items were found at the Dollar Tree. So this DIY is very simple, but turns out really, really nice. You're just going to apply some glue to the nautical rope, and you're going to wrap it around the ball. Just a warning, please be careful not to burn yourself with the hot glue. I recommend using those plastic tips to make sure that you don't burn your fingertips. Be very, very careful. Once you're done applying all the rope, I used some tape just to make sure that the rope doesn't unravel, and I glued in the remaining last piece.
That's good.
And there you have it, your beautiful nautical rope bowl fillers. Now I made 3 of these to go in my display.
Okay guys, thank you so much for watching my video. Again, if you liked what you see, hit the subscribe button, hit the alarm button so you know when I come up with my next videos, and hit the like button. Also, please comment below what you thought of these DIYs and if you have any requests. Thanks again. Bye.